Hey everyone, welcome back to the video. So today I'll be explaining lines and angles. So what basically lines and angles mean? So lines and angles mean there are different terms that are used to talk about lines and angles. So the first one about lines and angles are point. So what basically point is? Point is shown on paper using a dot, which can be like this or it can be denoted as an X, and it is used to point out any point on a graph. For example, if we have a graph over here, this, and we have to find out a point. So over here we will either mark like this or either mark like this. So this is different types of points that you can show on a graph or on a line. Then second term is a line. So what basically line means? Line is a straight line that extends infinitely in both direction. So it extends in both direction infinitely. So this is referred to line. Third type is parallel. So parallel means when two lines are in moving in same direction along each other at equal distance. So over here the distance between the two lines is 5 centimeter, and also over here the distance between the two lines is 5 centimeter. So this is referred to as parallel lines. Third type is angle. So what does angle mean? So angle means when two lines meet at a point and they form an angle. So the meeting point is called the vertex of the angle, meaning vertex is at which two lines meet. So this is referred to as vertex, and this will be referred to as an angle. And these are the two lines that meet up at a point which is referred to as vertex. Another type of terms that is used for the line or an angle is perpendicular line. So what does perpendicular line mean? So perpendicular line means when two lines meet at right angle, and this is referred to as perpendicular line because it makes a T point or T letter T. This is plus sign, or you can also refer this as letter T because over here there are two 90-degree angles. So this is referred to as perpendicular line. Next term is acute angle. So acute angle means when the angle is less than 90 degrees. It can be either 87 degrees or 70 degrees, any angle less than 90 degrees. Then next term that can be used is right angle. So right angle means when it's the same as perpendicular line but only two lines are used. So it will be like this: two perpendicular line but they meet at a point and extended line is not drawn. So these two lines that meet at exactly 90 degree, and this can be referred to as a square because it's a square or rectangle. So this will be 90 degrees, and this is how the angle will be. The next type of angle is obtuse angle. Obtuse angle means when the angle is greater than 90 degrees. So this can be either 100 degrees, 110 or even 170 degrees. So 100, 110 degrees or even 170 degrees. Any number between 90 degrees angle and less than 180 degrees. So this is obtuse angle. A straight angle means next topic or next term that can be used is straight line. So what straight line basically means, a straight line or straight angle. So straight line or straight angle means when the line is exactly straight and the angle on both sides is 180. So over here it's 180 degrees and even on the left side it is 180 degrees. So the angle on both sides of the straight line is 180 degrees. Next term is reflex angle. So reflex angle means, reflex angle basically means when the angle is greater than 180. So instead of calculating the angle of the inside like this, instead of calculating the angle of inside, which will be considered as an acute angle, we will measure the angle on the outside, which will be called as reflex angle. Reflex angle is greater than 180 degrees, greater than 180 degrees and less than 360 degrees. So this is reflex angle. And the last is revolution. Revolution means over here. Revolution means when the line meets at the same line again after a turn of 360 degrees. So this actually means over here this angle rotates 360 and comes back to the same line, and this is referred to as reflex revolution, and this is complete 360 degrees turn. So this is different types of terms that is used to talk about lines and angles. So this is one of the examples, and if we have a question which is find each of the angle listed, so BAC. So BAC will be called an acute angle, and then we will use a protractor if the question states measure the angle, but over here we have to calculate which type of angle this is. So BAC is an acute angle. Then second question states if we have to calculate BAE angle, which type of angle BAE is. So we will tell that angle BAE is an obtuse angle because it is greater than 90 degrees but less than 180, because the straight line is like this and it is less than 180 degrees, so this is an obtuse angle. Third type of angle is angle BAF from the from the outside, BAF. So the angle BAF is greater than 180 but less than 360 degrees. So this is called as reflex angle. So BAF is a reflex angle. Reflex angle. So these are different types of angle that we can calculate and measure the angle if the question states. But over here the question was we have to find out which type of angle is this. So we have calculated BAC is acute angle, then BAE is an obtuse angle, and BAF is a reflex angle. So thank you guys very much for joining on this video, and if you like this video and are understandable regarding this video, don't forget to subscribe and like this video and share it with your friends. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye.